Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are in a totally different setup. Today's video I'm super excited about. It's gonna be another edition of my affordable gift guide, but we're gonna go on location. That's why you see me where I am right now. I'm in Michigan at my in-laws house. So if you wanna know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so in this video, we're gonna go to a couple different locations, and I hope that these suggestions will give you some really great gift ideas. I will try to link all of them below so you can find them, but they should be at your local stores. All right, so let's do it. All right, so I'm at Walgreens. Gray and I are at Walgreens, and this impromptu that we were just here. Say hi.
Hello, my name's Gray.
But they have Birchbox here. And these are fantastic gifts. This is an affordable, fantastic gift. So if your Walgreens has this, check it out. So this whole beauty box is $35. So it's an array, it's an assortment of all of these great products to try. And then this one right here is like a tiny little box. It's only $15. That's a great affordable gift as well. And then they have these down here, which are the travel accessories, and they are $24 for looks like quite a few products in here.
Mama?
So cool. So see if I can find anything else here. Okay, I found another good buy here at the gift section for number 7. I have actually tried this cleanser. It's quite good. And then here is a gel cleanser as well as a oil-free cleanser and a couple other really cool cleansing products. Baba. It's only 25 bucks, great products. These are actually fantastic too. Now these are a little bit pricier. This is $68, but it's a $135 value. So these great sets, it's called Best Face Forward Collection. And I think maybe these might be the best for your money. So these are for, they have like everything from a neck to eye cream. So this is the Best of Restore and Renew collection. So yeah, so check out that for sure if you're in your Walgreens. All right, so I am actually at Target and they have some great gifts. So especially this right here, I'll spin around 1 second. They have a men's grooming kit that's like 14 bucks. And they have another one that's like all about eyes that has like Ardell lashes and a Real Technique sponge. It's all for 15 bucks, so I'll show you that right now. Here's the men's grooming kit. It is $14, you guys. So good. Everything they need. There's like a little travel razor. I think that'd be fantastic for the men in your life. And then this one's called All Glammed Up. These are very reminiscent of the boxes from Sephora. And this is 15 bucks. Here's some great lip products. The Revlon Matte Made Lip Gloss. I'm dropping things, but this one right here is one of my favorite lip products. And then this one's by Pacifica. So if you're looking for something for that green lover in your life, this is has a jade roller in it, and it is literally $15, you guys. I'll link all of the stuff below, but I thought that was fantastic. And some really great non-toxic brands, as well as it looks like Vital Proteins, collagen, and peptide you know, like mix for your smoothies. 15 bucks, get out of here. That's awesome. It's such a cute little box. It's like it's by a Target Beauty, so they have their whole like, it looks like wellness line from Target. But I thought that this face mask collection set was so cute. It's 10 bucks, and it looks like it has 6 face masks in it, and really nice packaging. Really, really nice packaging. And here is some hand cream, bath salts, but then look at, they have their own Spa Days advent calendar. Oh my gosh, so cute. Way to go, Target. And then I thought that this might be fun. Oh, there's some Elle holiday sets, which you know I think are fantastic. But look at the nail polishes. They're $20, and look at all of the colors they have. I don't know about the brush set here, but this looks like a perfect brush set for a beginner for sure, and it's 20 bucks. And then to be honest, one of my favorite things to do is to come over to the section where they have small versions of everything, and I'll show you. Pick out a couple, put them in a small little basket, wrap it up, and it's just this curated box. It's not going to be super expensive. Give yourself a budget, but I'll show you how one I would make for sure. So what I would do is I would actually start with this. This is by a company called Versed. This is a little glycolic overnight facial peel, and it is vegan and cruelty free. And then, of course, this is so fantastic. This is the vitamin C essence that I talked to you guys about by Lumen. And then look at this little mini jade facial roller. How cute. And then if you come down here, they have the Kale Detox Deep Cleansing Face Wash. This is great for acne prone sufferers. And then you can actually go down here and you can get like a little native, this is my favorite deodorant right now, so you can give that in there and then put it in a little basket in the dollar section and call it a day. Okay, so am I the only one that doesn't know about this brand called Versed? I've never seen it in my Target, but this is such a cute little set. It's a face massaging set, so it has a peptide and antioxidant serum and then a vitamin C serum, and then this is like a facial massager. But this brand is so awesome. It's 17 bucks, says normally $33. It's vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, and then it's free of no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, no formaldehyde, no petroleum, and no mineral oil. You guys, this is like the cutest little set ever. So I'm actually gonna get this and I will demo it for you guys and see if I like it. I'm looking at the ingredients too because I can't quite see it, but from on the outside, looks darn fun. Okay. Hi loves, so I am back at Meijer. This is a different Meijer, but I actually just walked past on my way to the beauty section. But if y'all are looking for great gifts for your kids, this paint set, which I just got, is 9 bucks, and it's so much fun. I just got it for Gray again, but it's like paint sets that you use in the bath, and it's really fun and artistic. You like paint the walls, and then it washes right off. So have a look at your nearest Meijer for that. Honestly, these elf sets must be everywhere, but go to your nearest like Walgreens, CVS, Target, or Meijer. They're all right here. And look at the amazing prices. Aren't they fantastic? Not sponsored, but I mean, good prices. This is actually one of my favorite. This is like a highlighter set. It's beautiful. I actually use it to this day. Okay, so this has nothing to do with this video, but I wanted to show you how freaking cute Meijer's little Christmas decorations. Look at him. Is he like an abominable snowman? I mean, look how cute they are. And look at this little like llama. So cute. Love Christmas time. So yes, Meijer's Christmas section is pretty darn good for decoration. Okay, I'm really trying to find other sets of things, but honestly, you guys, this is my second Meijer. I love Meijer, but they don't have like very good selection on actual sets. But what you can do is you can build your own presents here, which are fantastic, which is like those really heart-centered and customized gifts for people. There is one thing I want to share with you guys. Hold on, let's go find it. Okay, I take it back. They have great gifts for kids. They just don't have great beauty gifts. If I find some more online that you guys can get, I will let you know and I'll put them in the description box. But so far I'm seeing some great gifts for kids, but nothing really in like a beauty section, like Target for sure. Walgreens, I mean, Walgreens was killing it. Oh wait, here it is. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna turn you around in a second, but to make a really nice, I wanna find this one that I'm thinking about. Okay. So I think a beautiful gift, and you know I love this, is to get these candle waxes and then to get these. These are candle warmers and then also wax melts. So basically you put a candle on these, and yes, I'm getting a nail file. You put a candle on these and it warms the candle without burning it. But I just think that's such a nice gift. And then you can put a couple little other beauty items in it. There's also oil diffusers here. They're beautiful. They have some beautiful oil diffusers, and they're actually 25% off right now, and that is a really great deal because they're gorgeous. I got my candle. Oh, look at this. I mean, look at. These are all, look at this. This is a wax warmer. They call them wax warmer. They're wax melts. Look at them. Look how pretty they are. It's like one of my favorite things to do is to put a wax melt on and just enjoy. All right, I'm gonna go see what else we can find. I think we might have struck out with this. Oh no, be right back. You know what, actually, a great gift for a parent, a grandmother, a caregiver, somebody that you really want to have like a really heartfelt gift is get one of those wax warmers or candle warmers and so a few wax melts or a candle. And then honestly, come to this section at Meijer's, and actually probably Michael's would be great for this too. All of their frames right now are 20 to 25% off. Fill it with some pictures of you, your family, things that you guys have done together. What an amazing gift. I think it's great. You could also do something like this. Let me turn you around. I love personalized gifts, but look how cute that would be. Actually print them out and hang them inside of this frame. I'll find this frame online somewhere for you guys. But personalized gifts are so fantastic. And this one, oh my gosh, I love these. Look how creative these are. You pin them up so they can actually change out the pictures with postcards or photos or whatever. This one is super cute. Love begins at home, love you more. Family where life begins and love never ends. Love that. This is super cute too. Way to go, Meijer. Love that. That's gorgeous. All right, we came, we saw, we conquered. We are now leaving Meijer. Hey y'all, hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.